Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing a carrot cake cupcake. Let's go into the kitchen with me and do some baking. Okay guys, we're gonna start our carrot cake cupcake. Start with the sugar and the butter. We'll cream those together. Spatula. Okay, I'm not using my big cake mixer because it's not much I'm doing. But when I do, you guys gonna see my big girl. Okay, I'm gonna get off for a little bit because this is gonna make a little bit of noise. Be right back. Okay guys, now let's add the eggs. Okay. Oh guys, I love this little hand mixer. Oh. I love this little hand mixer. It's the bomb. Don't knock it. Okay guys, I add my vanilla in there and I'll do one more mix and then we'll start to fold everything else in there. Okay, to the dry ingredients, we're gonna have the baking powder, baking soda in there. I'm gonna add the nutmeg and the cinnamon. Oops, and this is a little bit of orange zest that I have. And I'm gonna add that in here. This already smells good already. It's not even started to cook yet. Could you imagine? There we go. Okay. We'll do half of the flour. And half of the carrots. Add the other half. And do the same. And just keep folding it in there. This is the reason why I didn't want to use that big blender. I mean, big cake mixer. Lord Jesus, not the blender. Please don't use a blender. Because I need to fold it. And my little cake mix works quite fine, thank you. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, look at this. Oh, this smells good. It hasn't even started baking yet. Okay, let's get the cupcakes pan and start those, you know. Here we go. Oh, guys, look at them. My carrot cake cupcake. Oh, man. They are adorable. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I'm gonna take them out so they can cool off. And then maybe we can try one. Well, I can try one. Oh my god, guys, this is so good.